discussed the 1 crore agency blueprint. Today, let us speak about how to build a business which can make 1 crore revenue. If you are running an agency in India and want to scale it to 1 crore and beyond, you need a solid blueprint. Most agency owners struggle with scaling because of operational issues, client acquisition challenges and lack of positioning. In this video, I will break down a structured approach from branding to scaling that will help you build a profitable agency in India. Let's dive deep into the video. Let us first understand the agency landscape in India. India has approximately 35,687 marketing agencies, with most being single owner operation. The industry is growing at 9.86% CAGR, but very few agencies manage to scale beyond 1 crore in revenue, while agencies like Media Monks, Interactive Avenues and Dot Media have crossed 100 crore revenue. The majority struggle. Why? Because they haven't cracked the formula for growth. Let's break it down. Let us understand why agencies struggle to scale in India. First and most important thing, inconsistent client acquisition. Relying on referral instead of structured lead generation method. Talent retention issues, that is difficulty in hiring and retaining skilled professionals. They do not lack in any specialization. They try to serve all industry instead of focusing on a niche. Manual operation, and they do not leverage in automating their process for scaling efficiently. They do not have structured sales process leading to unpredictable revenue. They do not have proper financial planning. Agencies, they do not focus on profit margin and they don't reinvest again into the business. My journey, the foundation before launching an agency. With 19 years of experience in B2B manufacturing services, I started my journey by working with B2B manufacturer as a consultant to understand their real problems. I discovered that Indian manufacturers struggle for global presence despite spending lakhs and crores on trade show. These trade show often generate non-working leads which may or may not convert for them. I analyzed this issue and developed a system that creates real result for businesses. Before officially launching my agency, this approach has been the key to success. It ensures that our strategies drive measurable outcomes, making it easier to scale and attract high value clients. Let us understand the success story of Rajog Ground Screw. They wanted to launch their new division and we helped secure their international order for their product through our tested method. To scale an agency to 1 crore and beyond, here's the exact strategy that works. Step 1. Positioning. Become a specialist. Pick a niche. Don't be a do-it-all agency. Are you focused on a B2B manufacturing, SaaS or e-commerce brand? Position yourself as an expert in one high-ticket niche. Step 2. Have a solid client acquiring method. Build a lead generation funnel. Stop relying on referrals. Use LinkedIn outreach, inbound marketing and cold email to generate leads systematically. Step 3. Have a proper pricing strategy. High ticket retainers over one-time deal. A 1 crore agency is not built on 10,000 projects. You need high value retainer starting at 50,000 to 1 lakh per month. Sell strategy first instead of just at execution. Step 4. Have a proper team. If you cannot afford a team, start with fractional expert before full-time hire. Instead of hiring full-time employees immediately, you can always focus on hiring a specialist like SEO specialist or strategist or a content managers. Scale based on demand. Step 5. Reduce your workload. Use tools like CRM for client tracking, Zapier for automation, and AI tools for content and analytics. The less you do manually, the more you scale. Step 6. Position yourself as a thought leader because your reputation and position builds a very big credibility for your business. Speak at events, share case studies, and build your personal brand. This attracts bigger customers. Once you hit 1 crore, your next step is to create predictable revenue stream through strategic partnership, digital products, and higher value consulting. Start a training institute or mastermind group like major agencies have today. Automate your lead generation and fulfillment process. Scale beyond execution. Offer consulting and branding strategy. Expand internationally by targeting global brands. Build an in-house content marketing engine to drive organic lead flow. Leverage AI-driven analytics to make smarter business decisions. Now that you have a blueprint, are you ready to build a 1 crore agency? If you found this valuable, hit the like button, comment blueprint below, and let's scale together. If you are a B2B business looking to scale globally, reach out to us today. Let's take your business to next level with our proven strategies that gives you guaranteed result. Subscribe for more growth strategies. See you on the next video.